Imagine waking up one day to find that the sun has vanished. What would happen to our planet, our lives, and the very fabric of existence? Today, we're diving into this chilling scenario. What would happen to Earth if the sun simply disappeared? First, let's talk about light. Without the sun, Earth would be plunged into darkness. The last rays of sunlight would take about 8 minutes to fade away, leaving us in a shadowy silence. No more sunrises, no more sunsets, just an endless night. But it's not just about light. The sun is the driving force of our climate. Within days, temperatures would begin to plummet. Earth's surface would start to cool rapidly, and within a week, average temperatures could drop to freezing. Within a year, the planet could be a frozen wasteland. As the temperatures drop, the oceans would freeze over, starting from the top down. It might take thousands of years for the oceans to freeze solid, but the surface would be covered in ice, making life as we know it nearly impossible. Now let's consider life. Most plants rely on sunlight for photosynthesis. Without the sun, the food chain would collapse. In a few weeks, plants would die, leading to a massive extinction of herbivores and subsequently carnivores. Only the hardiest life forms, like deep-sea organisms that rely on geothermal vents, might survive. Humans would face dire consequences as well. With no sunlight to grow food, we would quickly run out of resources. Those living in areas with artificial light and heat might survive a bit longer, but eventually the lack of energy would lead to chaos as society struggles to adapt to the new reality. But what about gravity? The sun's gravitational pull keeps the planets in orbit. If the sun vanished, Earth would stop its orbit and drift off into space, moving in a straight line at the speed of 67,000 miles per hour. This could lead to collisions with other celestial bodies, adding to the chaos. As time passes, the Earth would become a cold, dark, and desolate place. Our atmosphere would eventually freeze and fall to the ground, leaving behind a barren landscape. Any remnants of civilization would be buried under layers of ice and darkness. In this scenario, life as we know it would cease to exist. The Earth would become a lifeless rock drifting through the cosmos, a haunting reminder of what once was. So what would happen to Earth if the sun vanished? It's a stark reminder of our dependence on this fiery star in the sky. Let us appreciate the warmth and light it provides while we still can. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more thought-provoking content. Until next time, keep looking up